Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and I am back from my vacation and it feels good to be back. And let's dive right into it because we've missed almost an entire week of trading, but I was active in the Discord, in the chat, still posting some trades here and there, and again, always making some very nice gains. And you guys can see all the profit loss history on my website. The link is in the description. Now let's keep going right here onto the daily chart on Market Cipher. We can take a look right now. We have a 12 and a -2, still a very I would say pretty bearish DBSI numbers right there. But again, you can see the momentum waves are going to most likely keep going to extend towards the downside. We're deep in that red money flow, and we are deep in that red money flow on that weekly time frame. Nothing new there. No big green dot, no bottom confirmation yet. We still have some more downside on the macro term. In the short term, I still think, if Bitcoin does start to potentially make a new lower low, we might start to go down and tag that 300 weekly moving average around 16,800. I think it's a little bit lower than that. I think it's $16,655 at the moment. So again, this will change as we get a new weekly close, but that's your 300 weekly. If we get down to that level, potentially we get a bounce from there, but don't bet the farm on it. I am actually eyeing that level at the moment for a potential long, but we'll just have to see if we can take out this previous low around 17,757. Again, that big pump. Let's just talk about this big pump that we witnessed yesterday before that daily close. As you can see, the price moved up all the way up to 21,000, or basically 20,900 on Bybit, I think. Let's take a look at the Bitstamp chart. I think it went up to 20,800. But overall, a massive short squeeze, a massive pump towards the upside, a big buyer pushing up the price on top of the the 2020 all-time high. Didn't want to get a monthly close underneath that level. Let's take a look at that monthly. We closed the month under, let's take a look here, close at 19,925. So we closed just above that 2020 all-time high. But overall, you can see the price starting to reverse back down at the moment. And let's take a look at that 4 hour right here. Let's go dive back into that 1 hour. Again, this right here was a beautiful shorting opportunity, which we caught in the Discord, making over 91%. So if you guys were able to catch this short, congratulations. But again, we're still underneath this trend line, as you can see, and if we keep tagging it, eventually we can break it, but things are looking quite bearish at the moment. So I'd start to probably look at some lower levels other than a breakout towards the upside. That doesn't mean we can't break out towards the upside. Absolutely we can. And that's where I actually have a lot of my spot longs on crypto. So if you guys want to see those trades as well, you guys can join the Discord. The link is in the description. If you guys want to help support the channel as well, instead of just joining the Discord, you could actually join bitget.com. That's where I do all my crypto trading, my leverage tradings. Links in the description. But yeah, overall, a crazy week in the market as well. We're expecting a rally into a holiday weekend. We did close the markets in the green on Friday, but overall, a pretty rough week. As you can see, the Nasdaq and the SPY started to bleed down towards the downside, but closing in the green on that last trading day. And actually, a happy Independence Day to all my American viewers, and a happy Canada Day, well, belated Canada Day because it was yesterday, to all my Canadian subscribers and followers, who whatever you guys want it to be called, Crypto Mickey Army. But yeah, thank you so much for your support, guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend and made a lot of money. Let's take a look at one more thing, is the gold price. And we can see that the gold dipped below this major trend line right here, but a beautiful bottoming tail on the gold price, reversing back up to 1810 or 1809, basically 1810 on this chart, 1809 on Oenda. But overall, very bullish sentiment for gold, in my opinion. You guys can take a look at the DXY. Actually, I'll probably make another video tomorrow, maybe going over why I think gold is so bullish. But overall, as the DXY goes up, naturally gold goes down. But gold is holding its level. It's holding the line at 1800. And in every dip that we get below 1800 gets bought up significantly. So you can see the buying sentiment is there. There's investors are there. They're getting ready. They're accumulating. To me, this looks like an accumulation zone for gold, and it's extremely undervalued given the current market conditions, with inflation being so high and the Fed raising the rates at such a slow pace. They keep saying the Fed is so hawkish. They're so hawkish. Really, they're really not. They're very dovish, raising the rates so slowly, letting inflation run out of control. They expect it to magically come down. And if inflation does start to come down a little bit, then, you might get, a big market rally. Maybe inflation temporarily starts to, anchor down a little bit, but ultimately it will keep going towards the upside. As when the Fed starts to see inflation start to slow down, they're going to slow down their rate hikes, and they're going to turn on the money printer and they're going to say, finally, it's over. But it really won't. It's just going to be a phase in the market where people think inflation is done and dealt with, and they're gonna just invest and print all their money again. But yeah, overall, we'll get into the Discord. We're gonna do an AMA tonight again. Thanks for all support me again. And also, we are going to make the general chat in the Discord for free for all the people who don't want to see the trades but still want to be part of the community. You will be able to join the Discord. Link's going to be in the description tonight after I post this video. So feel free to join. Love you guys. Peace.